Your question is, under which article of the Constitution of India fundamental rights have been provided to citizens? Your options are A. Articles 112 to Articles 115, B. Article 12 to 35, C. Articles 222 to 235, or D. None of these. Right answer is B. Article 12 to 35. Your question is, what is meant by rule of law? Your options are A. One act for all and one judiciary for all, B. One act for all and one state for all, C. One state for all and one judiciary for all, D. All acts for one and one judiciary for all, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. One act for all and one judiciary for all. Your question is, which of the following are regarded as the main features of the rule of law? First, limitation of powers. Second, equality before law. Third, people's responsibility to the government. Fourth, liberty and civil rights. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 3 only, B. 2 and 4 only, C. 1, 2 and 4 only, or D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is C. 1, 2 and 4 only. Limitation of powers, equality before law, liberty and civil rights. Your question is, fundamental rights. Your options are A. Cannot be suspended, B. Can be suspended by order of Prime Minister, C. Can be suspended on the will of President, D. Can be suspended during emergency. Right answer is D. Can be suspended during emergency. Your question is, the rights are called fundamental rights because first, it is written in the Constitution, second, it is democratic, third, it is public welfare, fourth, it is essential for personality development, fifth, Parliament can't make law against it. Your options are A. 1, 2, 3, B. 1, 3, 5, C. 1, 4, 5, D. 2, 3, 4, 5, or E. None of the above. Right answer is C. 145. It is written in the Constitution. It is essential for personality development. Parliament can't make law against it. Your question is, which of the following is given the power to enforce the fundamental rights by the Constitution? Your options are A. All courts in India, B. The Parliament, C. The President, D. The Supreme Court and High Courts. Right answer is D. The Supreme Court and High Courts. Your question is, fundamental rights are. Your options are A. Justifiable, B. Non-justifiable, C. Flexible, or D. Rigid. Right answer is A. Justifiable. Your question is, which one of the following statements is correct? Your options are A. Rights are claims of the state against the citizens, B. Rights are privileges which are incorporated in the constitution of a state, C. Rights are claims of the citizens against the state, or D. Rights are privileges of a few citizens against the many. Right answer is C. Rights are claims of the citizens against the state. Your question is, which of the following is correct? Your options are A. The Nehru Report 1928 had advocated the inclusion of the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India, B. The Government of India Act 1935 referred to the fundamental rights, C. The August Offer 1940 included the fundamental rights, or D. The Cripps Mission 1942 referred to fundamental rights. Right answer is A. The Nehru Report 1928 had advocated the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. Your question is, under which of the following articles the Indian Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to the citizens? Your options are A. Articles 12 to 35, B. Articles 12 to 30 only, C. Articles 15 to 35 only, or D. Articles 14 to 32 only. Right answer is A. Articles 12 to 35 only.